Math 4, Quarter 3, Third Periodic Test Reviewer, Version 1. Answer all the questions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which model represents the fraction 3/4? Number 2. Which of the following models represents the fraction 2/5? Number 3. Which of the following shows an equivalent fraction to 1/2? Number 4. Which of these models represents 4/8? Number 5. Which of the following is an equivalent fraction for 3/5? Number 6. Which of the following is a multiple of 6? Seven. What is the least common multiple of 4 and 6? Number 8. Which of these fractions is equivalent to 2/5? Number 9. What are the factors of 36? Number 10. Which of the following is a multiple of 8? Which of the following is the simplest form of 6/8? Number 12. Which of these fractions is in its simplest form? Which of the following comparisons is correct? Which of these fractions is smaller? Which of the following is the simplest form of 12/18? Which of the following is the correct order of fractions from smallest to largest? Order the fractions from largest to smallest. 1/3, 5/6, 2/5. Which of the following orders is correct from smallest to largest? Order these fractions from smallest to largest. 3/5, 2/3, 1/2. Which of the following is the correct order from largest to smallest? What is the sum of 1/4 and 2/3? What is the sum of 2 and 1/4 and 3 and 2/3? What is the sum of 1 and 2/5 and 3/10? What is the sum of 3/5 and 7/8? What is the sum of 4 and 1/2 and 2 and 2/3? Sophia has 3/4 of a pizza. She eats 2/5 of the pizza. How much pizza does she have left? In a garden, there are 5/8 of a flower bed planted with roses and 3/10 planted with tulips. What is the total fraction of the flower bed planted with flowers? A baker used 2 and 3/4 cups of flour for a cake. If she wants to make a second cake and needs 1 and 1/2 cups of flour, how much more flour does she need? Jacob has 4/5 of a candy bar. He gives 3/8 of it to his friend. How much of the candy bar does Jacob have left? Anna has 5 and 1/2 liters of juice. She drinks 2 and 3/4 liters. How much juice does she have left? What is the result of 5/6 minus 1/4? What is the result of 4 and 1/2 minus 2 and 3/4? What is the result of 3 and 1/3 minus 1/2? What is the result of 7 minus 2 and 3/4? What is the result of 5 minus 3 and 2/3? Which of the following shapes has symmetry with respect to a vertical line? Which figure shows a symmetric reflection across the line of symmetry? What is the image of the letter A after applying a reflection with respect to a vertical line? In glide reflection, what happens to a figure? If you have a rectangle with a vertical line of symmetry, which part of the figure would be completed to show the full rectangle? That's all for now. Thanks for watching.